Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the hottest products in the market.
Today, we're diving into a sweet topic, literally. We're talking about SPLENDA Stevia, touted as the best artificial sweetener on the market. If you've got a sweet tooth but want to keep those calories in check, you've come to the right place. Stick around for the next 10 minutes as we break down what makes SPLENDA Stevia a game-changer. SPLENDA Stevia is making waves as a zero-calorie sweetener that's plant-based.
It's a granulated powder that promises to deliver the delicious taste of sugar without the guilt.
Let's dig deeper into why it's gaining so much popularity. First off, let's talk about its key features. If you're looking for a sweetener that aligns with a vegan or plant-based lifestyle, SPLENDA Stevia fits the bill. It's also kosher certified, making it suitable for a wider range of dietary preferences. If you have gluten sensitivities or allergies, no worries. This sweetener is gluten-free. Now, let's take a look at the packaging options. SPLENDA Stevia comes in different sizes and formats. Perfect for on-the-go use, these individual packets are great for sweetening your coffee, tea, or oatmeal. Available in 9.8 ounces and 19 ounces sizes, these jars are versatile and convenient for all your sweetening needs. This unique blend of tapioca maltodextrin and stevia leaf extract can be used in your favorite baking recipes, measuring cup for cup like sugar. Now, let's talk taste.
Many sweeteners come with that infamous bitter aftertaste, but not SPLENDA Stevia. Users report that it tastes remarkably close to plain sugar and that a little goes a long way.
Plus, it doesn't leave any unpleasant aftertaste. Speaking of user reviews, let's take a quick look at what people are saying.
The majority of users love the quality, ease of use, and taste of this sugar substitute. They find it to be a great, healthier alternative to sugar and easy to incorporate into their cooking and baking. However, opinions vary when it comes to the erythritol and stevia blend, with some mentioning it can be a bit challenging to dissolve fully.
If you're interested in exploring similar products, Amazon has some related options with free delivery on eligible orders.
Make sure to check those out if you're on the hunt for more sweetening choices.
And there you have it, folks. SPLENDA Stevia, the best artificial sweetener on the market, offering you a naturally sweet way to enjoy your favorite treats without the calories.
Whether you're sipping your morning coffee or baking up a storm, SPLENDA Stevia is here to make your life sweeter.
If you've tried SPLENDA Stevia before, share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful.
Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.
Stay sweet and stay tuned for more great product reviews.